Hello viewers. Olympics is just going to start. On 23rd and on 24th, India's event or sport, which has already got us 4 medals, and now India is having one of the biggest contingent in the world because they got the Olympic quota, and from where I expect at least 5 medals in this Olympics. Yes, it is shooting, it is starting on 24th. Obviously qualifying in the beginning. So it's the shooting. Rajvardhan Rathore got in double trap silver in Athens. And 2008 Abhinav Bindra got gold, the only individual gold till date. And 2012 it was Vijay Kumar and Gagan Narang who got silver and bronze. 2016 India drew a blank. So the fact is, this time it's a different ball game and 15 people, and we must give credit to Indian support system and various agencies who have helped such young budding talents to be there. Now, basic format, I like to tell you what happens, and it's very interesting to watch. Except for the skeet, rest all, first of all, there's a qualifying tournament, out of which top 8 players are selected. Then everybody is given for pistol 6, otherwise given 8 shots, and then the scores are there. Then after every 2 shots, one person is removed. And the scores are basically in 11, 10.8, 10 point this thing. So it comes very, very well. So everybody hits the bullseye, but how close you are to the center, if you're closest, you get 10.8. So the fact is, scores above 10 is always a very good, and below 10 are little dicey. In pistol, it's just you just hit the blue mark. That is the basic concept of the game. Now let's come down to the entrance. So first of all, we got to talk about Anjum Mudgil, 10-meter air rifle women. You may not have heard, but she's world rank 2. Okay, and she got, Commonwealth, she got the gold, and World Championship, she got 2nd position. That's why her ranking is 2. And she's going to be there in 2 events. There's a mixed event, and as well as 50-meter mixed events also she will be there. So she's a decent bet to win medal either individual or the mixed event. Then we get Apurvi Chandela. She is again has been once rank 1, but she's been World Cup gold medalist, Commonwealth gold, and Asian Games bronze. So she has been winning everything. Again, let's hope what does she do. Now we come down to 10-meter air rifle men. Divyansh Parmar, he won ISSF gold medal, and frankly, in the mixed event, 11 they have won the gold and shocked the world. So therefore, their mixed team is a very, very good bet for medal. Remember the name, Divyansh Singh Parmar. Okay. Side by side, we are showing you the timing when the tournament is starting. So you can see, I know I'm going to set alarms and watch it because India is going to win medal. Then Deepak Kumar is there. He won the Asian Games silver again in the 10-meter air rifle, and he's a mixed team also. Again, he's in 2 events. The mixing is always 1 man and 1 woman. Earlier it used to be 2 men, 2 women. That has been stopped. Now it's only mixed. So it is 1 man, 1 woman. They combine together. And Commonwealth also, he has got a bronze. Okay. Now we come to 50-meter rifle 3 position. So first of all, 3 is what? 1 is lying, 1 is sitting, 1 is standing up. So and you get 15 shots each, and so therefore it is there. And we got Tejaswini for women. She's a 41-year-old and she still could make it, and that is a thing, and we must give credit to her for again getting an Olympic quota. Okay. Then for men there again, Sanjeev Rajput is there, who is 40-year-old and he's got 3rd Olympics. Every time he has been there but not make it. Maybe it's the last thing, and he has got ISSF World Cup gold now. Okay, Commonwealth, those are 18, he got the gold. Asian Games he got silver. He's been consistent performer at this level, but Olympics he has flopped. Maybe he gets it everything this time. Okay. And then we can Aishwarya Pratap Singh. Okay. Aishwarya Pratap Singh, again contrast, Sanjeev Rajput is 40-year-old and he is 20 years old. And he is the world record holder. He hit all 60 shots, 60 out of 60. He hit it in the rifle event, and ISF World Cup 2021 he has got the gold, and that is why he's got the Olympic quota. So maybe he's fresh, but world record holder, we may feel that he's going to get something or other. Okay. Then we get to 10-meter air pistol and 25-meter air pistol, where our queen is there, Manu Bhaker. She's the youngest to win ISF gold medal. She's one of the youngest to win medal in Asiad also. And she's going to be participating in a 10-meter, 25-meter and mixed. Mixed with Saurabh. We'll be talking about Saurabh. They are tipped to be the number 1 team in the 25-meter pistol. So therefore, we have got a wonderful team, and I definitely feel that Manu Bhaker will be the next Olympic. She'll be the flag bearer of Indian team. Then we come to Yashaswini Singh Deswar. She was very good till the time Manu Bhaker came. But still, last ISSF, Yashaswini won. Okay. And in mixed, she's also there 2 events. Let's hope she does well. Then we get men, the same, 10-meter air pistol and 25-meter air. So Saurabh Chaudhary is there. Again, he's a 20-year-old like Manu Bhaker. And 2018, he was the Asian Game gold medalist. And he has got a world record of 245.5 score. So he's no pushover, and you'll see him and such unassuming, does not speak a word. So I definitely feel that Saurabh will definitely get something or other. Then in the same thing, we have got Abhishek Verma. He's got World Cup, he has got again first rank, and right now he's ranked number 1 in 10-meter pistol. So Asian, because in Asian Championship he won the first rank, and in Asia is a strong powerhouse. The Japanese, Korean, Chinese, they do very well in Asia. In Olympics shooting. So if he's doing well, probably, and he's a world record holder, so probably he will do it. And obviously he's also part of the mixed team with Yashaswini, and let's see what happens. Okay. 25-meter women pistol. Now we have got Rani Sarnob. If somebody remember, Commonwealth she got the gold. ISF she has got the gold, and again she has come back, And Asian Games, she won the gold out of all odds. Like earlier she had won, now she is winning it. So she has got a resurgence. You will see her a little fat and everything. But the fact is she has been doing very, very well. So again, a medal is expected out of the other woman, the Elvinen. She is doing wonders. Can you believe it? She's only ranked 12. She's got no Olympic quota, but she's 20-year-old. But she has been given Olympic berth, and according to seeding, she has been the first seed in 25-meter women pistol, and she's also in the mixed team. I told you that they have won the gold. So therefore, definitely Elvinen, nobody had heard the name. She is going to be one of the medal winners. I'm very, very confident about this woman, winning one medal or other. Then we have got skeet when flying saucers come. They are wonderful to watch. The pink color, they're breaking. So now here you see, first place is Miraz. In fact, he got his quota just after Rio. He won. Okay, the Rio he got, but he did not finish it at the tops. But he performed very well. And now he'll have a motivation, because right now we have got Angad Veer Singh, a youngster, 20-year-old. Again, there are 60 shots, and again it's 60 out of 60. Again created the world record. And in the Asian Championship, he has got the gold medal. Again, Asia is a powerhouse. So, shooting is a tough thing. 15 players, and I definitely expect 5 medals. And I'm very, very confident Abhinav Bindra will not remain the lone person to win a gold for India in individual events. So, starting from 24th, get ready and watch Indian contingent at shooting.